Hi, and welcome from Yuma County Main Library's Youth Services. I'm Miss Carol, and today I'll be showing you how to make a bird feeder with items you may already have at home. If not, you can get these items at your local dollar store or grocery store. For this project, you will need 3 pipe cleaners, unsweetened cereal with a hole in the middle for threading, scissors, and string, yarn, or raffia for hanging your bird feeder. Now we're going to start by taking a pipe cleaner and threading the cereal onto the pipe cleaner and moving it on down, leaving a little room on both ends so that you can join the pipe cleaners together later on in the process. So you just keep on doing that until you have it full. When you're done threading all 3 pipe cleaners, leaving room at the ends, they should look like this. So you're going to take your pipe cleaners and take the 2 ends and twist them together like that. And then you're going to take the other 2 ends and form a circle and twist these ends together as well. And there you go, you have a circle. Now you're going to take this 3rd pipe cleaner with cereal on it, and you're going to join it here at the end where you twisted it shut, and then you're going to take the other end and join it here. Just twist that on there so that when you're done, it should look something like this. Next, you're going to go ahead and take your string or yarn or raffia, and you're going to cut a piece off. You're going to tie it on one end like this. Then you're going to take it and tie it on the other end as well. Hopefully it doesn't take you as long as it's taking me. There we go. And you still have room to hang. You might want to go back and cut off a little of the excess string here. And you are now finished with your very own bird feeder. Congratulations. When it comes time to hang this though, make sure you ask an adult for help with that. So what kind of birds do you think you're going to see using your feeder? For more information on our feathered friends, check out our recommended books. I hope you enjoyed today's program, and thank you for watching.